Good morning, students. All of you safe in home? Yes, good. Today, math class topic is properties of rational numbers. Properties of rational numbers. First one is that is a closure property, commutative property, and associative property, special property. Closure property. What is of closure property? The sum of two rational numbers are always a rational number. It's called closure property. The sum of two rational numbers. So let the two rational numbers are a and b. So a and b add again the value of rational numbers is called a closure property. So and again the minus subtraction, that is a minus b. So that is a subtractor, you have here subtracted the value of rational number is called a closure property. And a multiplications, so a into b again to convert a rational numbers is called a closure property. Commutative property, the sum of two rational numbers remains the same if the order of the number is changed. So what is meaning? So a plus letter, the two rational numbers a and b. So you find out the value of a plus b and interchanges of the place. So p plus a. So value of a plus b and b plus a, that the equal is called a commutative property. But subtraction and divide is not satisfied the commutative property. Addition and multiplication is satisfied by commutative property. For example, additions. Let a is equal to 3 by 2 and b is equal to 5 by 4. So first you find out the value of a plus b. So 3 by 2 plus 5 by 4. So two method, one you take off LCM and another one is using of the cross multiplications method. So 3 4s are 12, 2 5s are 10. So 2 plus 10 is a divided of 2 4s are 8. 12 plus 10, that is a 22 divided of 8. To have simplified it, 11 by 4. And p plus a is equal to 5 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Same method, using of same method. So cross multiplication method. So 5 3s are 5 2s are 10 plus 4 3s are 12. So 2 4s are 8. That is a 22 divided of 8. You have simplified, that is 11 by 4. So the a plus b is equal to b plus a for additions. So commutative property is satisfied by additions. Subtractions. So a is equal to 3 by 4 2 and b is equal to 5 by 4. Subtracted. So a minus b. So 3 by 2 minus 5 by 4. So 3 4s are 12 and minus 2 5s are 10. Denominator 2 4s are 8. 12 minus 10, that is 2 by 8. Do have simplify it 1 by 4. Next b by a. So b by a is that is a 5 by 4 minus 3 by 2. So you have using of the cross multiplications, the 5 2s are 10 minus 4 3s are 12. 12 by 8. 10 minus 12, that is a 12 minus 10, you have put the value is 2. But the biggest number is 12. The before symbol is, that is a minus. So I have put the minus 2 by a. So you have simplify it 1 by 4, that is a minus 1 by 4. But a minus b is equal to 1 by 4. B minus a is equal to minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4, the change of symbol. So a minus b, that is a not equal to b by a. So we have here subtractions for closure property is not satisfied. Are you clear? Understand? Do you understand, student? I go move to next slide. That is the associative property. The sum of three rational numbers remains the same even as the grouping is the changed. Let a, b and c are the three rational numbers. So same concept of commutative property, but the three rational numbers. I have to take it the three rational numbers. That is a grouping format. First one, that is the a plus b. first group plus C is equal to A plus and again P plus C. So same commutative property rules. So commutative associative property satisfied for addition and multiplications, but not satisfied for subtraction and divide. So for example, additions. So let the three rational numbers. So A, B, Z. A is equal to 3 by 2, B is equal to 5 by 4 and C is equal to 3 by 2. So first grouping format is A plus B plus C. First A plus B. So I got same cross multiplication method. So 22 divided of 8 plus C oda value 3 by 2. So again using of the cross multiplications, that is 68 divided of 16. You can simplify as 17 divided of 4. Next that is the right hand side A plus B plus C. So that is the grouping method changes. So A plus B plus C. So same you have a cross multiplication using of cross multiplication method. The find out the answer is 17 by 4. So group change you have to change the group, but the same answer is 17 by 4. Therefore associative property for satisfied in additions. Next is subtractions. A is equal to 3 by 2, B is equal to 5 by 4 and C is equal to 3 by 2. So first grouping is at the left hand side A minus B minus C. So you have the using of the cross multiplications, you find out the values minus 5 by 4. And this right hand side A minus, the group is B minus C. So if I find out the values 7 by 2, but is the not equal to 7 by 2. So therefore A minus B minus of C, that is a not equal to A minus B minus C. Hence the associative properties is not satisfied for subtractions. Are you clear, children? Next that is a special properties. Special properties means that is the identity and the inverse. So additive identity is 0 and additive inverse is minus A. Multiple identity is 1. Multiple inverse is 1 by A. Do the worksheet. Thank you, children.